Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to a place I've never been before. We are going into the deepest, darkest depths of Ikea. Go with me, let's go check some stuff out. And this is massive, this store. It looks like a flipping airport. Look at that big entrance. What size is this place? It's huge. Let's go and have a look. Hej, it's great to see you. Oh wow, this is cool. Look at this place. That's cute. Oh, there's going to be so much to see here. You know, I've never ever been to Ikea. So, what's that? That's an air purifier. That's weird, eh? Borrow a yellow shopping bag. They're huge. You're just going to hear me keep going, ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. That's all I'm going to say. You know, this store is so big that it actually has its own, like, freaking map. This is insane. Yeah, well, he's looking for food. Can't shop on an empty stomach. This place is crazy, insane. Wow. It's like a theme park, isn't it? This is madness.
Oh, this is
Number 2.
Yeah.
Let's go. It's like a maze. It's like a whole living room there with telly. You sit there and eat dinner. Wow. It's like an adventure just to even flipping find the restaurant. Oh my goodness. We should have called an Uber. This is crazy.
The thing is, you can't tell if you've been here before because it's all white. White's everywhere.
Everything's white, yeah. Oh, this is cute. I like teddies. This must be all kiddie stuff. Yeah, it's definitely all kids stuff, eh? Success! We have found it. We have found the food. It's a Swedish restaurant. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh my god. Look at it all. Holy sugar balls. Okay. We're gonna be here a while. This is crazy, insane. So busy. Okay, so after that kerfuffle, I'll show you what I got. So I got the Swedish meatballs with the mashed potatoes, veg, bit of garlic bread, a vegetable thing, and a vegan chocolate thing. And the husband got the same, but he got cheesecake. So we're gonna dig in, and I'll let you know what it's like at the end. Fika. So that was okay, the food. I mean, I guess it was okay. So we're going to carry on now and see what there is to see in the rest of this huge place. Oh my goodness, it's daunting. Let's have a look. This is nice.
Actually, it's only $14.99 for that oven.
So cool. This is a nice if you live in a little place. Very good at decorating, aren't they? Very nice. It's a nice setup. So this is the dining room section. Wow, holy guacamole. So we're into the bedroom section. Everything's in sections. You get lost here. Honestly, you would get lost in this place. So we just got lost trying to find our way out of this place, and but we managed to find the stairs, so we're all right now. We're gonna go and check out downstairs. Oh my goodness, this place is immense. So this is the only bits and bobs section and stuffs. So yeah, lots of stuffs. Our eyes are gonna be hurting at the end of this. Honest to goodness. What can I say? This place is immense. I didn't know that they had so much stuff. I mean, this is crazy insane. But gives you some good ideas. I mean, we're moving house soon, and so, you know, I think we'll be back here at some point to buy lots of stuff. Holy moly. Right, let's carry on. So I guess this is like cushions and textiles. Let's have a look. Stuffing. They do stuffing for your cushions. You want to stuff your cushions. Oh, that looks nice. A woolly blanket. I like them. What's the price on them? $39.99. They're quite nice.
If you like color, this isn't your place.
I don't mind. I'm a bland kind of person. It's not bad. I mean, this is all your beddings and things. That's cute. That's cute. Got a pretty little fuzzy thing on there. Wow. No. Definitely no. Ew.
Looks like drapes.
My goodness, like 70s drapes. I think I prefer upstairs to down here. Everything's set out much nicer upstairs. Oh look, we got bathroom stuff here. Oh, a little soap pump for $1.50. That's alright,
You're gonna get a pump,
isn't
you
it?
want it built in.
That's cute. No, these are for the bathroom. What is it? I don't know. I think it just hangs. I mean, there's a picture there of it hanging. Oh, maybe you put ties and stuff on it. I don't know. That's weird. Okay. These are cool. Little door hooks. You just hang them on the door. And then have a dog's butt on your door. Awesome. Got a light there for $11.99. It's a piece of crap, but what do you want when you're on a budget, right? Got tons of lightage. And all these funky lights.
I really like these big canister lights, don't they? They're all hanging all over.
Yeah, I don't like that. They're factory looking to me. Yeah, it's like you're living in a warehouse, isn't it? So now we're into the rug section. Come to Ikea and buy a rug.
But look, the selection of straw mats. I've never seen anything like it.
Oh, that's rough. That'll clean your boots. They got tons of them.
Yeah, they're really cool.
How about fake sheepskin? Oh, that's nice and soft. Not bad. Got grey and white. I wouldn't have a white rug. Some Persian rugs over there. And this is all like your wall decorations, pictures and so on and so forth. They got some nice pictures. And they got things like these
There's a
little...
Mona Lisa.
That's nice.
I've always wanted to have a Mona Lisa hanging in our living room just to show off our good taste and wealth.
Oh, these are nice. Very nice. Love yourself. That's a beautiful picture. Oh dear. I guess this is like your greenery section with the plants. Some bamboo. Lots of greenery. Cute. So I guess this is the warehousey bit. I guess we're heading towards the checkouts now. Well, I guess it's time to find the checkouts and try and get out of here, right? Oh my god. Well guys, we made it. We escaped from the Ikea. Me and Doggy did, didn't we, Doggy? We did, yeah. So that's us signing off for another video. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to. It's up to you. And notifications if you want to. It's up to you. But please hit that like button because that does help me out. And leave a comment. Have you ever been lost in Ikea? Have you bought anything really nice in Ikea? Let me know down below. See you later.